Good day, everybody. How are you all? I hope you are doing great today. We are going to solve a proportion today. So here I go. So solve the proportion 8 over 5 is equal to 12 over x. When the mean solve the proportion, that means you want to find out the value of x so that 12 divided by x is equal to 8 over 5. Okay. So the first thing to do is to multiply. So I want to go over here and multiply both sides by 5. You ask me why I want to do that? Because 5 is in the denominator of the left-hand side. If I multiply by 5 on the left-hand side as well as on the right-hand side, this is multiplication. What will happen? The 5 on the denominator on the left-hand side will cancel with 5 on the numerator on the left-hand side. So on the left-hand side, I will be left with 8 because 5 out of 5 cancel is equal to 12 times 5. 5 times 12 is 60 over x. Now I got to solve for x. X is in the denominator. While in the denominator, I cannot solve. That is the common rule. So please do not quit right away because I will give you a helpful hint at the end of this program. So please stick around. Also in my channel, Math Science Topia, I've solved all kinds of algebra problems just for you. So please subscribe to my channel to get free access to these problems. Okay. Anyways, please hang around till the end of this program. It's not a long one. So now I have to remove x from the denominator on the right-hand side. That means it is divided by x on the right-hand side. So the opposite thing I have to do, which is multiply by x on the right-hand side of the equal to sign, as well as multiply by x on the left-hand side. Remember, in an equation, whatever you do on one side, such as multiplication, you have to do the same on the left-hand side. If you do it on the right-hand side, you have to do the same thing, same operation on the right-hand side. That's why the name is equation, and that's why the equal to sign is. If you multiply by one thing on the right, you unbalance it. It does not become equation anymore unless and until you multiply by the same term x on this left-hand side also. Anyways, now on the right-hand side, x is in the denominator, x is in the numerator. They cancel out. So I have on the left-hand side, 8x equal to 60. Okay, now I have to solve for x. 8 times x. What is the opposite of times or multiplication? Is division. So now 8 and 8 cancel on the left-hand side. So x is equal to 60 divided by 8, which can be simplified further because we know 4 times 15 is 60 and 4 times 2 is 8. So we can cancel the common factor 4 in the numerator and denominator. Why? Because 4 goes into 4 one time in the numerator and 4 goes into 4 one times in the denominator. So what is the final answer? X is equal to 15 divided by 2. And if you want to write it in a decimal form, it is 7.5. So what is the helpful tip I wanted to give you? So in order to solve this type of equation, first of all, whatever we do on the left-hand side, we have to do on the right-hand side, such as multiplication or division. Second of all, since x in the denominator, our goal in order to solve for x is to bring it in the numerator, but logically. So first I removed 5 from the denominator of the left-hand side by multiplying by 5 on both sides. Now I got 8x equal to 60. So 8 times x, I have to remove that 8 factor in front of x because I have to isolate x by itself. And that I can only do by doing the opposite of multiplication, which is division by 8. So x is 60 by 8, and the common factor in the numerator and denominator in this case is 4. So they cancel out. So x is 15 over 2, 7.5 is the final answer. So I will stop here today. If you have any question or comment, write me a note. I will get back to you as soon as possible. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate that. If you like this video, please share with your friends. And you and your friends, please subscribe to my channel by hitting the red subscribe button at the bottom right corner. As I told you, in my channel, Math Science Topia, I've solved all kinds of algebra problems just for you. Thanks for watching. Take care. Have a nice day. And please do not forget to check me out tomorrow when I'll be back with another important, interesting algebra problem and another solution. Again, thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Take care. See you next time.